Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to study about phrases related to expression of taste, like it's spicy, salty, and your feeling about the food. And if you have enjoyed the food and you want to say I ate too much or I am full, so this type of phrases today we are going to study. So let's start. So, first of all, I would like to inform you that today we will discuss the four phrases. First is expression of taste. Second, what do you want to eat? Third, can I get more side dishes? Fourth, I am full. So, let's start with our first phrase, expression of taste. Expression of taste. First, spicy. 매워요. 매워요. Sweet, 달아요. Sweet, 달아요. Salty, 짜요. Salty, 짜요. Delicious, 맛있어요. Delicious, 맛있어요. It's bad, 맛없어요. It's bad, 맛없어요. I suggest you not use the word it's bad. It's better to use like this dish is better than this dish is better than this. So I'll just suggest you to don't use this word. This is just for your information that it's bad means 맛없어요 in Korean. So let's start once again. Spicy, 매워요. Spicy, 매워요. Sweet, 달아요. Salty, 짜요. Delicious, 맛있어요. It's bad, 맛없어요. Second, what do you want to eat? For example, let us create a situation. You and your colleague like working overtime, and colleague A said like I am hungry. 배고파요. And you just ask what do you want to eat? So first, I am hungry. 배고파요. 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 So 배 is basically stomach. In next chapters, when I describe about the body parts, you can learn the all body parts there. But for now, just remember that 배 is stomach. When I am hungry, 배고파요. 배고파요. And B means you will say like what do you want to eat? 뭐 먹고 싶어요. So what is 뭐? Want to eat. 먹고 싶어요. Want verb is go 싶어요. I want to eat, I want to drink, I want to travel. In that case, you just your desired or your feeling in before go 싶어요, and the sentence will complete. For example, here you want to eat 먹고 싶어요. Got my point? So what do you want to eat means 뭐 먹고 싶어요. 뭐 먹고 싶어요. Okay, so repeat after me from the very first point. I am hungry. A, your colleague, like I am hungry. 배고파요. And you are like, what do you want to eat? 뭐 먹고 싶어요. 배고파요. 뭐 먹고 싶어요. So A will said like, how about bulgogi? bulgogi 어때요? bulgogi 어때요? How about means 어때요? How about bulgogi? bulgogi 어때요? Sounds good, or I like it. You were like yes, I like it, and it's a good idea. So in that case you are like 좋아요. 좋아요. Got my point? So you and your colleague went to the restaurant, and a waiter came to you, and he or she will be like, let me have your order. 주문 도와드릴게요. 주문 is order, let me help, 도와드릴게요. You had studied the same phrase in earlier chapter, right? If you had not studied, just go back, and I'll suggest you to take every lesson step by step. So let me help your order means Jomun Doa Dilkeyo, and B means you. Like, please give us 2 bulgogi. Bulgogi duge juseo. Bulgogi duge juseo. And waiter will be like, okay, nee. So repeat after me from the very first point. How about bulgogi? Bulgogi otteo. Sounds great. Choayo. And waiter will be like, let me help your order. Jumun doa derilkeyo. And you are like, please give us 2 bulgogi. Bulgogi duge juseo. And waiter, okay, nee. And you are in the middle of eating, and you are like, suppose your colleague wants some water or like drink. So in that case, A will be like, can we get some water, or please give us water. In that case, how it will be sounds like mul jum juseo. Mul jum juseo. Mul jum juseo. And C is a waiter, right? So you might get 2 response. First is, please help yourself. Mulun self imnida. Mulun self imnida. If in case you are in a restaurant where the water and some side dishes have self-serviced or like you can go to the particular place or go to the tab, and you can just take your like drink, your side dishes or self. In that case, C will revert like, please help yourself. Mulun self imnida. Mulun self imnida. Or C can also revert like, okay, please wait a moment. मैं जमशिमन किदारी से हो. जमशिमन किदारी से हो. Please wait. किदारी से हो. A moment. जमशिमन. Okay. नहीं जमशिमन किदारी से हो. Please wait a moment. So repeat after me from the very first point. Please give us water, or can we get some water? Muljum juice ho. And you might hear 2 responses. One can be like, please help yourself. Mulan self imnida. Or okay, please wait a moment. Ne jamshiman kidari se ho. Ne jamshiman kidari se ho. So this is all about our first and second phrase. Next we will study about, can I get more side dishes? Can I get more side dishes? So let's study. So first of all, I would like to inform, like for your information, if you are in like American restaurant, Italian restaurant, you can like, can I get more side dishes? But when you are in Korea, you just have to put a sentence like, more side dishes please. You don't have to ask, you just have to order that, more side dishes please. So in this case, how it will look like, what is side dishes in Korean? Panchan. Panchan. And little more. Like you want a little more, not so much, a little more, so that you can cool down your appetite. Okay, so little more. What is little more? Jomdo. Jomdo. And can I get, we don't use here can I get, we will use please word. So what is please? Juseo. So just combine the three words and make a sentence. Panchan jumdo juseo. Panchan jumdo juseo means more side dishes please. Panchan jumdo juseo. Panchan jumdo juseo. Okay, note it down. Panchan jumdo juseo. So let's take an example. You are middle of eating and you had finished your side dishes and it was too great. So as I told you, suppose you are middle of eating and you want more side dishes, So in normal, or if you are in Italian or American restaurant, you just say, hey, like, can I get more side dishes? But for your information, you are in Korean restaurants, so you just have to put a sentence like, more side dishes please. So panchan jumdo juseo, and you might hear two answer. First is, what do you need more? Like, there are so many side dishes, what do you need more? Or help yourself means the side dishes is self-service. So first, what do you need more? Modo dirilkayo. Mo, what? More. Do, do you need dirilkayo? What do you need more? Modo dirilkayo. Modo dirilkayo. Or help yourself. Panchan self-imnida. Panchan self-imnida. So let's start from the very first point. Panchan jumdo juseo, modo dirilkayo, or panchan self-imnida. Okay, so this is the answer you might hear. So you have to understand what the waiter is saying to you to action accordingly. So we had studied three phrases today. And last we will study I am full. I am full. You might hear 3 to 4 phrases when you are Korean, when you are with your Korean friends. First, I am full. 배불러요. Be is what? Stomach. Right. Good. So I am full. 배불러요. And second, I ate too much. 너무 많이 먹었어요. 너무 많이, too much. I ate 먹었어요. 너무 많이 먹었어요. Or I can't breathe. 숨을 못 쉬겠어요. 숨을 못 쉬겠어요. What is 숨을? Breathe. Okay, just write it down. I can't breathe. 숨을 못 쉬겠어요. Me too. 저도요. 저 is me. To is 도요. Okay, so sometimes you when you are enjoy the food, the four phrases, the three phases might help you to express your feeling after finishing your food. I am full. 배불러요. I ate too much. 너무 많이 먹었어요. Okay, 너무 많이 먹었어요. Or I can't breathe. 숨을 못 쉬겠어요. 숨을 못 쉬겠어요. Me too. 저도요. 저도요. Okay, repeat after me. 배불러요. And second person, 너무 많이 먹었어요. Or 숨을 못 쉬겠어요. 저도요. 저도요. So let's create a situation and start a conversation. You ate your food, and you are about to leave. So your colleague will be like, it's on me. 제가 낼게요. Like, I'll pay for it. I'll pay for the food. So 제가 낼게요. 제가 낼게요. This is additional word to complete your process from the very first point, I am hungry, to and I'll buy. Okay, so this is just for you more information about expression when you are in Korean restaurant. So it's on me means 제가 낼게요. Then B person will be like, then I'll buy coffee. 그럼 제가 커피 살게요. Then is 그럼, I, 제가, buy is basically 살다, verb 살다, and I'll buy means 제가 살게요, future tense. So 살게요, 게요, we had added salda and future tense, so that's why it becomes 살게요. So then I'll buy coffee means 그럼 제가 커피 살게요. 그럼 제가 커피 살게요. So this is all about today. Thank you so much for watching. You just have to create a situation and use all phrases. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I'll be there soon with my next chapter that will be about weather and season in Korea. Thank you. Bye bye.